behind me, K-Crane is printing out a ton of elements all at once with their custom K-Crane printer, and they print indoors. Each of these elements will be a piece of the house that they're eventually going to put together. And they're not only printing the walls, but also the footers. You could tell down there that's a solid infill, which is going to be the permanent footer structure of the building. So they're saving more labor than a company that would just be printing right on top of the footers. It's almost like a prefabricated footer that they'll bring on site. And maybe the most unique part of the K-Crane system is their mixing process, which is happening right out here. They've got a giant silo that they load up with all their sand. And then this, which is inspired by gold dredging, sorts the larger pebbles and rocks out of the sand, which drastically increases the supply of sand that they can get. Other companies have to be very particular about the grain sizes, particulate sizes. K-Crane is able to reduce the grain size with this system that feeds the material through here and then grates it out so that you're only getting the good small sand that then gets weighted on these scales and stored for future use. So everything is well measured and precise. Then they mix it with the cement over here, combine that in this mixing system, which then gets pushed over into this grout pump, which keeps the material flowing and pushes it at a precise rate through this massive rotor stator here, up through the wall into the printer where we just were. How cool is that? Most teams are using off-the-shelf equipment, which is nice when it works, but it wasn't specifically built for the 3D printed construction application, whereas these guys took their mechanical engineering knowledge and developed a solution that works just right for them. How cool is that?